Alright, so I've been putting off this video for a little bit because I've ordered a bunch of parts and I was waiting for the last part to get here, and it finally got here today. So fired up the old VidCam. Here we are with the old RMZ. Before I start throwing some parts on her, gotta wash her up, you know. Plug up the air box, plug up the exhaust, and yeah, basically I just bought a bunch of parts. So everything wrong with this bike, I just went ahead and bought the parts to fix it. It was only like $140. So I had like a fat hole in my radiator. That's all that sticky jizz all over there. It's just coolant. Got a broken lever, and on my last ride, I just Allahu Akbar'd my throttle cable. I mean, my throttle tube. And so that's not there because I got a new one. And chain guard or chain guide is shrapnelized. If you look from the bottom there, it's completely useless, and it's just shredding my chain apart. So just got a bunch of new parts, gonna install it right after I wash the bike, and probably change the oil because it looks like milk, and just gonna send her high and wide. Alright, so we got some good old levers, some unbreakable levers, a little throttle tube, plastic, cheap, whatever, send it. Chain guide, you know, the high quality and fast shipping, like nice. We got some Scott waffle grips, you know, full send. And then we got some brand new radiators. Technically, I only really needed this radiator because this is the one that was leaking like a mofo. But then I was just like, you know what? I'm poor. I can't afford anything. Might as well just buy the other half, you know? And so I had to get a loan in order to pay for all this because I'm broke. So yeah, I'm in debt, $365. But I mean, she's pretty mint body. She's pretty mint. I'm gonna throw these on. Hey. All right, and just like that, the bike is clean for the most part. And I mean, if there's anyone out there that wants, like, you know, a twin turbocharged BMW 335i, you know, just slide into my DMs, you know what I'm saying? Hit me up. Please buy it. There's the old one. I'll throw on this old chain guide real quick. Bam, shazam. Alright, there we go. We got that on. Alright, so I just ran to the store to get a couple things at several different stores. Got some 10W40 Valvoline for the dirt bike. This stuff is actually like super good on the clutches on these old Suzukis. Oil filter at a different store. I got some clear spray paint for the grips. Some air filter cleaner because I needed that. And got some wire as well for the grips. So yeah, I should be set now because I've already got coolant for the old radiators. So I mean, from here on out, just gotta install some stuff right on the old RMZilla. You know, I'm gonna kill myself. Alright, so I got this grip on, but it's kind of pissing me off because this wire I got is pretty weak, and so it would just like break off down here on the bottom, like super short. And also, when I was sliding the grip on, it just ripped the end open and the bar came out. So that pissed me off because, I mean, this grip should be stronger than that, but I mean, it's pretty damn secure. I just hope these wires don't come undone because they just broke off way too early while I was twisting it up trying to tighten it. So now I gotta do the throttle. Alright, bam. Got both the grips on. Now I gotta put on the levers, and my camera's about to die. Just a quick update. Got all the levers on. Fly. Got that radiator off. That side. That's the mirror. That's the arm. And I'm pulling off of this one. I'm gonna rip her off. Coolant's gonna spray everywhere, and I'm just gonna like get coolant in my eyes, and I'm just gonna like die. But yeah, I mean, grip it and rip it, you know what I'm saying? Alright, hey guys. So I just got done with the bike, all the radiator bled out the air, changed the oil. It's about 3:30 a.m., just finished. Yeah, I mean, really, I guess that's the end of the video. I mean, drop a like, and an update video on the old CBR. Man, probably in about a week, the new update video on the old CBR will be up. But, I mean, that's it for this video. Sender.